Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm back with my hair product. You guys know I love to treat my hair, my natural hair. So today I'm gonna be doing avocado hair mask. So this is the avocado we are gonna be using, and I'm gonna be blending this avocado together because the last time I used avocado mask I actually smacked it with a fork. And after that I was having a lot of avocado stuff on my hair, so I really don't want that to happen this time, and I just want to blend it on a blender to get that really good paste. So this is the avocado I'm gonna be using. I'm having 1.5 avocado here, and I'm gonna be adding honey and also a little tiny bit of olive oil so that you can get really that richness that you want. And this is the bowl that I'm gonna be using here. So I'm gonna be blending them, and then I will be showing you guys how I apply this thing on my hair. So stay tuned and don't go. And if you want to see how I apply this avocado mask on my hair, please stay tuned. And also don't forget to subscribe. Okay, on this channel we spread a lot of tea. Please subscribe, leave your comments, share, like, give it a thumbs up if you like it. So let's do it. So guys, here is the avocado mask. I'm already blend everything. As you guys can see, it's really smooth. So we are gonna be applying it on my hair. So basically today is my washing day. This is my hair right now. My hair is feeling really dry this moment, so I really need something that will make it soft and shining. Yes, and even these days that I was wearing wig, I kind of lose a little bit of my hair here in front, which I'm not happy about it at all, to be honest. So today I'm gonna be applying this, and I'm gonna be leaving it for like 20 minutes, and then yeah, and I will wash the hair today. Today is my washing day, so I do wash my hair every once in a week, but I do apply products like this on my hair once in a month. Yeah. So guys, as you guys can see, even I should have used 2 avocado. Even 1.5 avocado was not enough for my hair. Oh my god. So this is it, and I'm gonna massage. Yeah, baby. I'm gonna massage it into my hair a little bit so that it can sit. It's already feeling soft. Wow, look at that. Feeling already soft. This is really what I need for my hair. Like, I really needed a something that will soften my hair, because my hair was feeling really dry lately, which I really don't like. So now I really need something that will moisturize the hair and just make it feel softer. And look at that, guys. Look at that. So I'm gonna massage this into my hair, and after that I will cover the hair to sit for like 20 minutes, and then I will wash the hair, and then I will give you guys the final result. All right, guys, I am back. It's already 20 minutes. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Did you guys just see that? Look how soft my hair is right now. Look at that. It's really good. So I'm gonna be washing the hair and conditioning the hair, and I'm gonna be using this conditioner here, using this shampoo, leave-in condition, and yeah, and I will show you guys how the rest is gonna look. So it's looking really soft. Wow, look at that. So I'm gonna be using this oil. You guys see this oil that I make. If you know that you haven't watched the video, this aloe vera oil that I made, the video is already on my channel, so you can go and check it out. So I'm gonna be using the oil first. This smells really good, this aloe vera oil. And I'm gonna use it to massage my hair a little bit. And after that, I'm gonna be using this my Shea Moisturize Leave-In Conditioner, and I really don't want to style the hair today. I just want to leave it like this. So, and apply this on my hair. Look at that. Look at the volume. This leave-in conditioner is really good, guys. It's almost finished, so I have to go get me a new one. I've been using this leave-in conditioner for a long time. Like, this is, I would say this is my favorite. It's really good. It's a good friend to my hair, actually. So yeah, you guys see how my hair is looking right now? Look at that. So the weather is pretty good today. I'm just gonna be leaving the hair like this, not like this. I'm gonna put it on a ponytail, by the way. So I'm gonna be using this comb to comb my hair up like this. Just like this. Up. And this is my hairband. It's actually a hose, and just put it below like this and pull, go up, up, and then put the comb. So I will be using a little bit of castor oil for my edges. This is actually the white castor oil, so I got it from the pharmacy. Then I will be using it here on this part here, which I lost from my wig. Yeah, I really promised myself not to use wig too much on my hair this time, because it looks like my hair doesn't like any wig anymore at all. Anytime I put wig on my hair is always breaking. I don't know why. So use it here at the back and the front, and yeah, and voila, that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you know you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, okay? And also subscribe if it's interesting. We do spread a lot of tea here, okay? Subscribe. If you want to see more hair video, like more workouts and more mom's life and holidays vibe and fashion, we do everything here. So subscribe, keep loving your girl, share the video, okay? It's very easy, guys. Just share the video and like it, try it on, and if you know that you tried the avocado mask on your hair, let me know. And at the meantime, catch you guys on my next one. Much love, bye.